Inspiring as his professional achievements is his personal character. Known for his humility, simplicity, and deep concern for every patient under his care, Dr. Jose Turco embodies science of medicine, but also to the service of humanity. He stands as a shining example of how by kindness and selfless service. His contributions have been recognized at the highest level by the Government of India in 2025, a national honor that reflects the depth and impact of his service to humanity. In recognition of his unparalleled achievement and dedication to the cause of healing, the Lions Club of Atlanta proudly offers this commendation as his noble journey of service continues to inspire generations to come. Presented with deep respect and warm regard to Padma Bhushan Dr. Jose Turco on behalf of the Board of Directors and members of the Lions Club of Atlanta, presented by President Joseph Matthew, Secretary Lion Ramdas B, and Treasurer Lion Prem Kumar.
Dr. Rachel Abraham Singh, Dr. Saraswati Satya Arvind, അതിന് കൈമാറാൻ